Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about cracked lips and the most easy and simplest remedies that you can use from your kitchen for healing your cracked lips. Before treating cracked lips, it's very important that we know why it happens. It happens because of excessive dryness that happens because of Vata dosha. The skin become dry and the lips become dry. So in Ayurveda, especially in Charak Samhita, it's been mentioned that you please keep your inside and outside in winters quite hydrated with the process of snehana. Snehana means liation. Also avoid excessive exposure to cold winds. So let's see what is the best remedy for cracked lips from Ayurveda. So most simplest remedy is application of ghee. Ghee we all are aware of, and you take ghee, heat it little bit, like it should be lukewarm temperature, so it will become very melted, and that ghee apply on your lips with this finger, if you can see, ring finger. Ghee deeply moistens your lips and it has vata balancing properties. If you don't have ghee, you can also apply lukewarm or warm sesame oil, but it should not be like boiling sesame oil, but it should be quite warm sesame oil at the temperature of the tea. So that also should be applied with this finger on your lips, just like lipstick, chapstick, any kind of things how you are applying. Before bedtime you need to apply sesame oil. Ghee also either you can apply in the bedtime or immediately once you get up in the morning, then you can apply. But if you have inflammation on your lips, like they are cracked very badly and there is a huge of inflammation on the lips, you can apply turmeric with coconut oil, mix them well and then apply and leave it for 20 minutes. At bedtime you can apply, you can leave it whole night, or you can just leave it for 20 minutes. And make sure the turmeric that you are going to use is of organic origin. And while going out, what to do? While going out, you can apply aloe vera on your lips. So there are or coconut oil. Simply coconut oil. Carry in chapstick or some bottle coconut oil and keep applying on your lips. No need to use those harsh treatments to just, they are removing the skin of the lips just to make them soft again. The top peeling of the lips, peeling of the top skin of the lips, many spas and beauty spas are doing. No need to do this. Natural way is like this: coconut oil, sesame oil, ghee, aloe vera and turmeric along with coconut. In addition to that, avoid excessive use of raw food during winter season and keep yourself hydrated with the water and fruits and good soups and vegetable soups and like more hydrated food you try to eat. I hope these tips you will all use and get rid of your cracked lips and protect your lips throughout the winter. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.